In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Firefox developer tools. Whether you're a budding web developer or just curious about diving under the hood of internet sites, understanding these tools is a fantastic skill to develop. Let's get started. First things first, let's open Firefox. Once you've got Firefox up and running, you'll want to access the developer tools. A quick way to do this is by pressing the F12 key on your keyboard. If you're more of a clicker, you can also find these tools in the Firefox menu. Simply click on the three lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu, located in the top right corner of your window. From there, navigate to More Tools and then Web Developer Tools. This will unveil a powerful suite of tools that are there to enhance your web development experience. Now that you've opened the Developer Tools panel, you'll want to explore one of its main features, Inspect Elements, or as veteran users might recall it, the core of what Firebug used to offer. You'll notice a tab labeled Inspector. Click on it. This feature is quite interactive. As you hover your mouse over different parts of a web page, the corresponding HTML and CSS code will be highlighted within the panel. This instant feedback is incredibly valuable, as it allows you to see exactly how the user interface is structured. You can even edit the HTML or CSS on the fly, giving you the ability to immediately see the results of your changes. This is perfect for experimenting with design changes or investigating layout issues. Now, let's switch gears and focus on another vital area, debugging JavaScript. Navigate over to the Console tab. This is your spot for running JavaScript commands and monitoring any errors that pop up. It's an indispensable tool when you're writing scripts for dynamic web pages and need quick feedback or fixes. For more in-depth analysis, hop over to the Debugger tab. Here, you can pause your scripts at specific points to thoroughly examine your code. This is incredibly useful for diagnosing why a script isn't functioning as expected and figuring out exactly what needs to be adjusted. After you've gotten comfortable with debugging, it's time to monitor network requests. Click on the Network tab and then reload your web page. You'll notice a lot of activity. This tab logs all network requests including CSS, JavaScript files, images, and more. Monitoring these requests can help you gain insight into your page's loading speed and uncover potential server issues. Understanding these factors is key to optimizing your website's performance and ensuring a smooth user experience. And there you have it, a simple guide to navigating Firefox developer tools. This powerful suite is designed to empower you with deeper insights into web development, streamline your workflow, and enhance your debugging skills. Thanks for joining me today.